Okay, this is another day I'm coming back out to the G80 Genesis, but do not like to crank up. So I'm gonna see where it starts today. It's a shame these cars so nice and have these difficult problems. Okay, pushing the brake. Nothing. Try it again. Nothing. See that? Did y'all just see that? It just crunk up. That's all you got to do. That's the trick. Now today would have been another day that I would have had to get it towed because it won't crank. We would try to jump it off. We would try to do everything, and it just was not crank. It's another day.